evening and greetings from Sheffield. Today I'm trying out the Ferrara's Travelling Fair, which is basically a Sheffield owned fairground attraction operator. And today, well, for the next few days, they've actually come to Aconfort, which is only a 2-mile walk from where I live. It took me about 25 minutes to walk here. There you've got the freak out, or the wipe out as it's known at Brean. So yeah, thought I'd give it a try. Be only a quick vlog. I'm only going to have about 3/4 of an hour here, something like that. Just have a look at a few of the rides. Yeah, it actually looks more intense than the one at Brean. So yeah, rides range from £1.50 to £2, depending on what you go on. You've also got a Sizzler ride over there. You know what I think of my Sizzlers. You've got the Waltzer, and also there's actually a ghost train here. There's a Dodgems, but no ghost train. So anyway, I'm going to have a look at the Dodgems first, see if I can film on the wrist handle. I'll see you on the ride. Got to be done, the Dodgems. Be very, very careful. Unfortunately, I'm getting rammed here. So yeah, I thought try the place out and everything. Yeah, bit of a stall up here. Anyway, Dodgems. Here we go then on the Waltzer. First time in about 30 years that I've been on one of these. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Come on! Woo!
Here we go!
Woo! Here we go! Woo! Oh, this is insane! Oh, it's coming by! Woo! Let's go! Here we go then on Freak Out. Second one in a week. Yeah, very similar to the one at Brean. Yeah, taking a bit of going this one. There were no introduction or anything straight into it. So anyway, we'll see. Woo! Whee! Whoa! Yeah, baby! Wah! Whoa! Woo! Yay! Whee! Whoa! Woo! Ah! Whoa! Hey! Oh! I think this actually, whoa! Goes a bit higher than the one at Brean. Woo! Yay! Yeah, might try the one out at Bottoms tomorrow. Woo!
Yo! Whoa! Oh man! Whoa!
I don't know, 3 and 8 days now. Whoa! Shit! Whoa! Oh, this is out! Oh, this is more intense than the one at Green! Oh! Whoa! Woo! Oh my God! Ah! Whoa! Oh! Woo! Oh! Definitely! Oh my God! Try this out if you come here! Woo!
Oh, yes, man! Yes, man!
Woo! Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, that's 3 count. Yeah, that was a lot more intense than the one down at Green last Saturday. You sort of got a second go, it seemed to stop and then set you back up even higher. Anyway, the waltzer, yeah, that went alright. First one in 30 years I've done, so yeah, the dodgems, I don't think the attitude of the person who operate on the dodgems is particularly impressive. But at least said about that the better. Anyway, I'm going to go off and do the twister, which is just over there, and might wrap it up then. It's 25 to 7, so yeah, twister up next. Yeah, well that was Ferrara's travelling fair at Akenthorpe, Sheffield. Got a little coaster credit going round there. I don't know who that's actually manufactured by. I've had a look on the data base, the coaster database. I can't actually find out who it's yeah, a little coaster credit. Anyway, that's wrapping it up. It's only been a small vlog today, as I say. Tomorrow I will be in Bottons in Skegness. I returned to Skegness after Fantasy Island 2 weeks ago, and yeah, but it was nice to do the waltzer. I'm sad, last time I did one of them I was a teenager, probably before, so, and yeah, the freak out, if one is like that, anything at Bottons tomorrow, then yeah, get ready. But no, I weren't really impressed with the attitude of the assistant on the dodgems. I think, you know, we have to use discretion. I use discretion when I'm vlogging. I do that all the time. So yeah, but yeah, that is Ferrara's travelling fair at Akenthorpe, Sheffield, and I'll see you tomorrow in Skegness, Bottons. Bye for now.